While I was at the vineyard, I took some pictures, and you can see in the first picture here on the left what the majority of the vines in about half of the planting looked like. So these vines, you can see that there was leaf reddening, that the plants are stunted compared to those in the back, and that and there is some fruit, but not a lot of fruit on the vine. These plantings in the back, while they look healthy, they actually were starting to decline. And if you look closely here, you can see that some of the leaves were starting to redden. A close-up look at the fruit, you see here that the fruit, while they look good, as Mrs. Rodriguez had indicated over the phone, they actually have small berries on them, and there are fewer berries per cluster than would be expected at this time in July. When you look at the vines themselves, or at the trunk of the vines, you can see that there are these galls on the vines. So in the first image here, there's a gall at the top, and there's also a gall closer to the bottom. In the right image, again, this is another trunk, and you can see these large galls that are present on the trunks. And almost every single plant in the vineyard, including those plants that looked healthier, had galls on them. So after seeing the images here and with the information that you were provided through the situational assignment, it's your job to try and determine what the problem is and how you will manage it. So what you should be considering, in addition to the information I gave you, are the weather conditions in July. So I encourage you to look those up. The site conditions, which again you were provided with. And then think about how crown gall disease develops and how virus disease develops, and use this to help you make the final diagnoses. So in your response to Mrs. Rodriguez, I would like you to identify the problem, indicate how you came up with that final diagnosis, and then how you recommend that she manage the disease. Good luck and have fun.